my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken recipe and an amazing sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Amazing and delicious chicken. Let me show you. I have drumsticks and I have chicken breast with bone. Let me tell you, this recipe really comes out so delicious. The chicken moist, soft, and so juicy. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And now I am ready to add the seasonings. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I am going to incorporate everything, making sure that the chicken is really coated with the spices. We're going to let the chicken rest for about 20 minutes before we start cooking. Look at this. You always want to make sure that everything is coated with your spices. Once this is done, we're going to put it aside and let me show you. Look at this chicken. It's covered with the spices. On the stove, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil to my pan, and now I am ready to start adding the chicken. Look at this. We are going to cook the chicken in medium-high heat. We're going to cover it till it starts getting nice and warm, starts releasing the juices, and it starts cooking and getting golden brown. So let's cover it and then we'll come back to it. Look at this. While the chicken is cooking, I am ready to wake up my 4 garlic cloves. I'm not going to dice them. I just wanted to wake them up and take the skin off. And now I'm going to continue with the tomatoes. I'm just going to cut the tomatoes like this. I have 1 onion. I'm only using half an onion for this recipe. You need to have everything ready. So when the chicken is ready, golden brown, you are ready to add all these veggies into the same pot. Look at this. It's okay if it starts sticking to the bottom. It's getting golden brown, and let me show you from close up. We're going to flip them, cover them, and leave them here for another 3 to 4 minutes. And once the 4 minutes are done, we are ready to remove. I have already the tomato, the garlic cloves, and of course the onion. This recipe really comes out really delicious and amazing. And now I am ready to remove the chicken from the pot, and I am going to add to this 4 tablespoons of butter, the garlic, the onion, the tomato. I am going to cook it down until the tomato is really nice and mushy. I added a bay. This is going to take about 5 minutes, but it's okay. We want all the drippings from the pot to release, and then we're ready to start adding everything into our blender cup. This sauce really comes out really delicious. Once we blend it really good, we're going to transfer it back to the same pot so that it releases everything that is stuck on the bottom. Don't throw away your bay. We're going to return the bay and we're going to taste just in case you need more salt or chicken bouillon. And now we're going to Mix everything really good, and you could already feel that everything from the bottom has released. And we're going to add the chicken one more time. We're going to cover the chicken really good. Remember, don't throw away the Bailey. All those drippings, add them back into the pot. We don't want to throw the drippings of the chicken away. We want to add them again. And now we are going to cook for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you are ready to serve. You are ready to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for being part of my family. Look at this. I am going to top it with a little bit of cilantro right on the top. Just a little bit. You don't need too much. The cilantro is going to give it such an earthy flavor. How am I going to enjoy it? With steamed rice. Look at this. My home smells amazing. And this recipe is always delicious. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing, juicy chicken recipe in the tomato sauce. Oh my God, just perfection made at home. I added a little bit of white rice and let's try it. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. The chicken is so tender. The sauce, amazing. Let me tell you, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken in this delicious sauce. See you soon. Bye-bye.